Hello everyone, once again welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can increase maximum upload file size in WordPress. Here you can see on my screen, if I come here add new, then you can see here maximum upload file size is 8 MB. It simply means that I can only upload files to my WordPress website up to 8 MB, and if I upload files larger than this mentioned size, then I'm going to get an error. So how we can fix this and how we can increase this value so that we can upload larger files onto our WordPress website, I'm going to cover all this in this video. So make sure you are watching this video till the end. I'm going to show you 3 methods, but the first one is going to be most effective, and this is the method which always works for me, and I can say that this is going to work for maximum number of users. So let's start this tutorial. So what you have to do, you have to get inside the cPanel of your website, okay? And for that you have to type the address of your website, then slash and cPanel. Type this, press enter key. Here you have to type username and password, which is going to be provided by your web hosting provider. Then press login, and you will see something like this. So you have to find out file manager. You can type here file manager, else you can scroll down and find this option, file manager. Click on this. After getting inside file manager, you have to get inside public HTML. After getting into public HTML, you have to find out where you have installed WordPress, and I have installed directly inside public HTML, so I'm getting all these files here. You have to find out WP.admin, okay? Get inside this folder by double clicking on it, and here you have to scroll down and you have to find out a file PHP.ini, okay? So here you can see I do not have such file here inside this folder, so we have to create a new one. So click here to create a new file and name this php.ini like this, and then create new file, and it will create this file here. And if I refresh this, reload this, if I scroll down, php.ini, so you have to find this, then you have to click on edit, and then you have to paste this value inside this file, okay? You can paste only this one, or also you can copy and paste here like this. This is the recommended, because these are the 2 lines, and this one especially is important, and this will get you away from another error which is basically memory related. So make sure you are mentioning this, else you can also remove this and leave it like this. Then click on save changes, and let's see what will happen here. It was 8 MB and now it's 64 MB. It simply means that I can now upload files up to 64 MB, and if you want to make these values much more larger, then you can simply type in here like 128 M. And now one more thing I want to mention here, when you are changing these values, this and this one, then you have to make sure about this thing, that this value and this value should be same, or this should be larger than this one. Post maximum size value should be larger than or equal to upload maximum file size, okay? So it's 128 M. We are not going to leave this. We're also going to change this 128 M, and it's already larger. And if you want to change this, then you can also change this value. Then click on save, and then let's see, it's changed to 120 M. Okay, MB. And so this is the method which is going to work for almost everyone, but for the sake of this tutorial I'm going to delete this file. So it's already selected, clicking on delete, because sometimes this doesn't work for number of users, you can say, and they need to find out another way to tackle this issue. Okay, if I refresh here once again, it's going to 8 MB again. So now I'm closing this, I'm coming back here onto my WordPress admin. Now the second method is by adding some text to theme functions file. So you have to click onto editor. After getting inside editor, you will find this here, theme functions. Okay, these are your themes files. So click on this theme functions, you will get something like this. Okay, so what you have to do, click on the and then press enter key, once again press enter key, and then add this text. And if you want to see this is the text which you have to add on. Make sure you are not making any mistake, you are taking care of these spaces. Okay, and simply copy this and add here like this. Click update file, once again going to add new, opening in a new tab, and you can see this doesn't work for me. So I'm getting rid of this. Now there is one more method which you can try if both of these methods doesn't work for you, and that is by editing htaccess files. Okay, for that once again you have to get inside the cpanel of your website. So here once again we are and getting inside file manager, and here you have to click on settings first, and then you have to click show hidden files. So once you have done this, now get inside public HTML. After getting inside public HTML, you can find this file htaccess file .htaccess file. So we are going to edit this file. Simply click on this, click on edit, once again on edit, and press enter key, copy this, copy and paste here like this, save changes, and let's see that this has worked for us or not. You can see here we are getting this error. Okay, I'm deleting this. So this is the way you can actually fix this issue, this maximum upload file size issue. And adding PHP.ini file is the best option. If you find this file there and you get these values, these lines there, then you can edit these values directly there, or you can also add on these file there, and then you can add this text there inside this file. So this is the way you can change maximum upload file size value in WordPress. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and leave a comment below if you have any issue. See you in next video.